I really think of it as being a matchmaker. And especially when I'm on the listing side, like tonight, it's the day before going on the market. And I imagine those people who have been longing and dreaming and thinking about what they want their next home to be. And probably, in this area, they've been thinking about it for a while and maybe have been looking for a while. And I imagine them going to sleep every night thinking, oh, when are we ever going to find that house, the one where we walk in and we just know immediately, like our eyes light up, maybe our heart skips a beat, whatever it is, and you just know. You just know. Part of it is because you have been calling it toward you for a long time and been thinking about it and visualizing it, getting really clear about what it is. And I like thinking about those people finding their way through this front door and realizing that they are home in a way that is bigger than four walls and a floor and roof. It's about where they get to live their best lives, where who they are gets to continue to evolve and grow, and their relationships will evolve in this space. If they have family, their families will grow here, and they'll have holidays and traditions. And I think about those moments for these next owners, and I get a little emotional about it because I want to create the space where people can feel that they don't get distracted by what a previous owner has in their decoration or their taste of art or furnishings. That's part of why I feel very strongly about the importance of having a seller move out and staging moved in, and really sort of clearing all of any preconceived notion about what this felt like as home for anybody else, so that we can really set that stage for somebody to fall in love. And I feel a little bit of a kinship to the house itself to try and just say, I see you, I love you, and we are really going to do everything we can to find the right next people who are going to fall in love with you. That's probably sort of the more maybe out there part of being a realtor. I don't know how much time other realtors spend thinking about that kind of thing, but especially on a house like this place just oozes soul, and it has been such a delight to get to work on this project, and I'm super excited to see what happens. So yeah, we'll see. Thanks for asking.